potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can
be
activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
Who the fuck?
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Ogways, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cridersville, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A stationary front will combine with a series of mid-level disturbances to produce periods of showers and thunderstorms through Thursday night. A warm and dry pattern will commence Friday and continue through the weekend. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. West of today, southwest winds 5 to 15 knots. Scattered showers and thunderstorms late this morning. Gun showers and thunderstorms likely early this afternoon.
What are you doing,
Scattered
HH?
showers and thunderstorms late. Waves 2 feet or less. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming west. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then isolated showers and thunderstorms overnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday, west winds 5 to 15 knots. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Waves 2 feet or less.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you going.
Thursday night, west winds 5 to 15 knots becoming northwest. Mostly cloudy in the evening.
Morning until 12:15 p.m.
Alright. As you may notice, the WX150 has been fixed, finally. V1 activated. WX100 activated. V3. The new ER50. WR400. Event code 120. The Recom. The 210, the static V5, 259, all these 1050 hertz radios, the V2, extremely late V5, the Vector, green 120, 1650. Which went off for an hour and 45 minutes! Running Snail. Other V3. It's finally been repaired. 996. EAR10. V15. Red V5. The Maxon. The 109. The 67. Zone Guard. And the 250. Oh, and also the ER10 and the BC345. And yeah, that'll do it for the ION's weekly. Now we wait for CLE and IWX. V8! Are you kidding me?
Monday, partly cloudy.
That'll conclude today's weeklies.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cridersville, Ohio. Heat advisory remains in effect from noon/11 a.m. Central Daylight Time /today to 8 p.m./7 p.m. Central Daylight Time /this evening. For Defiance, Paulding, Putnam, Van Wert, and Allen counties. Peak afternoon heat index values 100 to 105 degrees. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling.
Alright. Let's see. Our EAR10 failed. You failed. Who else failed? That failed. Again. Yeah. Now it's clear if you could have activated.
The National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Risk during outdoor work. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Thunderstorms Thursday through Saturday. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the Lima, Allen County Airport on the fair skies. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 69%. The wind south at 16 miles.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning box. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated. listening to NOAA Weather Radio, and for more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.
Activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing.